Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your primary email on LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn right now. Up here, clicking me, then settings and privacy. So on the left, I'm going to sign in and security. And under account access, I'm opening email addresses and I'm hitting add email address and typing the new email. And then LinkedIn might ask me for my password and then it will send a verification email. I'll jump into that inbox, click verify, then come back here. Now you'll see your emails listed and you click make primary on the one that you want. So on my screen, you won't see primary yet because I haven't added an email here. So once you'd add in verify one, you'll see the primary label and you can remove any extra addresses that you don't need. So this is helpful because your primary email gets all your security alerts, messages, job updates, and recovery codes. So use an inbox you check every day. Keep one backup email for emergencies. Avoid a work email if you might change jobs. And if the code doesn't show up, check spam and hit resend. You can also turn on two-step verification and sign in and security for extra protection. So thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.